Hello guys, ito lang dinner nila. Chips. Chips with ito guys. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Mabilis ano. Ako guys, isipin ko kung kakain ba ako. Kumain ko sa kanina, marami. Ang lamig ngayon guys. Itong isa nakaupo dun sa radiator. Lumapit talaga siya doon sa ano. Nagagamot in the Philippines. I don't like the heat as well. Just go every 6 months. Or every a year. No, winter. Winter go in the Philippines. Summer come back here. I miss her. Kain tayo guys.